The dandelion flower is one of the strongest plants on our planet. It's a medicinal plant, it's a nice looking flower. Children like to play with it. It has roots, leaves, flowers, all of them can be used as tea. Let's take the roots of the dandelion plant and make some very nice medicinal tea with them. Let's do that, that would be fun. This is how the roots look after we harvest them. This is how the dandelion roots look like after we wash and scrub them properly. This is how it looks like when we chop and slice the roots, the dandelion roots, with the sharp knife. All chopped and sliced into bits and pieces, ready for the roasting process. This is how it looks when we roast the roots of the dandelion flower in the Chinese wok. We could use any device for roasting, like a pan, a classical roaster, the professional roaster for the coffee roaster will also work. Or we can also bake them if we know exact temperature for baking them. But roasting them on the frying pan or in the Chinese wok is the most basic thing we can do. Easy and simple. Let's roast them to the crispy golden brown color. The roots did roast to the crispy golden yellow color. Nice, mild. It's possible to roast them to a darker color, dark brown color like coffee. But it's okay with this one. Let's make some tea! The tea is ready to be drank after some time in the hot water. Beautiful golden yellow color. Ready to be enjoyed. A medicinal dandelion root tea. Thank you for watching, thank you for supporting the creative moments. Make a positive comment. Help other people with your knowledge or experience that you had with this. Have fun. The powerful dandelion flower, the lion tooth flower, with the root like a lion tooth. They just grow everywhere. Concrete, soil, buildings, bridges, rivers. Even in the city of Hirona, the wonderful city of the Walk of Shame, apples, and the world capital of cycling doping. Powerful flower.
Now we appear to be about to move from the strictly human domain to the human-machine symbiosis, and of course machines process information, make connections, and do their work at a rate thousands of times faster than any human being can do alone. And that's what I mean by saying that the time is speeding up, speeding up, speeding up.